on our third adventure, same series. We are now climbing up Devil's Head Trailhead, which is south of Denver, about 45 minutes, directly south. We've got the kids that are already started up. We're going to try and catch up to them in just a moment. We are going to try and make it all the way to the top where there is a park ranger station. So we're going to take lots of clips along the way and show you how easy it is for kids to climb up.
At the trailhead, there's no water at the tower, so you got to make sure you pack in plenty of water for yourself and all your food and snacks. And then obviously the tower will be closed if lightning occurs, so you want to start this trail early in the morning. In Colorado, here in the high country in the summer, lots of lightning storms come up. Hey.
Hi. We just took a shortcut from way down there, and we beat our pants.
The fairies took the toys that you left there. Last time you left some figurines in the little fairy cave. Yeah, were you doing kind of like a little geocache, a little hiding? Oh, what is that? Oh, all right. You gonna hide him now? We bring lots of little toys and have lots of little fun along the trip. So the bag gets kind of heavy as you bring all this stuff, but it's very essential for climbing with kids that they have lots of fun. How are you feeling? A little winded? Hard to breathe? Lots of cool water. Plenty of ice in that water.
Ready?
Alright, let's see what you got. She's already up at the hill a little bit. She's fast. So about 2 miles into the road, she's still got plenty of energy. She's still having lots of fun. Plenty of cool rock formations to climb around. I wouldn't advise going off trail too much. Some people do get lost pretty regularly up here. But all along the trail, lots of cool things to climb on. We made it to close to the top of the Devil's Head. This is the ranger station, and this is where he lives during the summer. And when he goes to work, he just simply goes up this little stairs. There's Sophie. Hi, Sophie, wave. And we have to climb up these stairs to the final leg, and right up there is the ranger station. Alright, we're about to climb up the stairs for the final journey. The stairs are actually made out of metal, so they're not all rickety, so it does get a little windy up there, and we'll see how it is. 147 steps. Alright, go, go, go. Go, crew. Oh, birthday girl, wave. Alright. How's the stairs? A little steep? A little wobbly?
130 steps.
130? this freaking you out?
Oh my god.
How narrow are these stairs? They're pretty narrow and a little steep, but they're just fine. Everyone's got all the way up there, and they've made it to the ranger station. How many? Oh, cool. Good job. Sunset Fire Lookout. 143 steps above the cabin. I like your office. Yeah. Oh, a certificate that you made it?
Yeah.
It was a little scary coming down those stairs, but seem to be doing just fine. Sometimes it's a little bit easier if you just go backwards, kind of like how Mommy's doing with the little one. Or you can just make sure you hold on with both hands. And we climbed up here with a 8-year-old, a 13-year-old, a 6-year-old, and Grayson, who's only 4-year-old. 29? Is that what we are today? 4-year-old. So we made it with all of those different age ranges. And we saw Billy just up there, and he's really old. Yeah, a little bit, but you know what? I gave him credit because he keeps on coming up there.
We're standing there one day in the spring, and like this big old one of these things crawls out of one of the holes. And I'm like, Grayson, check this out. I was taking like pictures of it on their sidewalk. He's like, awesome, Squish. Like he didn't even think about it.
Yeah, that's a pretty handsome looking guy. Bark beetle, you think, huh?
I think it's a pine
borer?
for sure. I'm not sure.
Sophie, are we headed downhill? Yep, still got plenty of energy, thanks to all those snacks.
I like to hike it, I like to walk it, Who likes to hike it, I like to climb it,
There goes King Julian.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
Bonka-donka-donka-donk. Bonka-donka-donk. Yeah. In just a moment, okay? You gonna say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm on your shoulders.
Yeah, did you have to have a little bit of a break? Yeah, it was a little bit long of a ride, but sometimes you just gotta take a little bit of a break for the kiddos. So on a ride like this, there is quite a bit of carrying of the kiddos. But they sure enjoy it, but I would highly recommend a good strong parent that can help carry the kids when they get a little bit pooped.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Let's catch up.
Let's catch up? Okay, here we go. All right, Emma, show us how it's done. You're quite the rock climber. You're almost there.
I'm not as tall as her.
Oh, yeah. But look how she's using her feet.
Strangely difficult.
Yeah. Yeah, well, maybe that rock's not for 8-year-olds, just 13-year-olds. Well, maybe not today. Maybe not. Let's see what she's got. Oh.
I'm okay.
We've made it to the top and back, and we're all the way done, and we're getting ready to head on home. But the trail was not too bad. A little crowded on the weekends, but that's okay. And we're right at the bottom. There are restrooms that are over here. And we just drove our little SUV, which is an all-wheel drive, to get up here. So it wasn't too hard. Ground is gravel once you get up about 6,000, 7,000 feet or so. But it's all pretty hard packed and pretty level. So there's a few cars that are out here that we saw that are just regular automatics and two-wheel drives, and so they made it up just fine. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.